people out there, this is Wo Mast Mala Girl. Welcome back to my channel. Who are new, please subscribe to my channel, that is Wo Mast Mala Girl. If you're already subscribed my channel, thank you so very much, and I love you so much. And as you can see by the title, today we are going to show you how to do pastel eyeshadow makeup look on Indian skin tones, and how does it look on Indian skin tones, because a lot of people might think that this makeup or this color or this lipstick color or this eyeshadow color doesn't suit on such particular Indian skin tones. But I want to bring out to each and everybody's notice that there is no such thing. It doesn't really matter which skin tone you are. You just need to have that confidence, and also you should be able to have that confidence to carry out with lot of sexiness. So don't even worry about that what is your skin tone. As you can see that I have done this very beautiful pastel look today, and I am rocking the look. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the video.
I've already prepped my skin with moisturizer and primer, and also concealed my eyes, and I have packed it. Applied some translucent powder. Now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild, which is Stop Playing Safe, and I'm going to use these colors to pop out my eyes and make it look beautiful. So, and I'm also using this Nicka K's Birthday Cake eyeshadow palette, which I'm also using a few colors from it, and I'm going to start now. And as you can see, I'm so excited, and that is why I'm dancing over here. So using this dense brush, and I'm going to start off with Nicka K's first color, which is this very beautiful aqua color, and I'm going to start off from my crease line, and always remember to dust off the extra so that you don't have a lot of fallout. And even if you have, that is why I've applied powder, translucent powder on my face, so that if I have a fallout, I can definitely wipe it off there and then. Now as you can see, I am blending the color on my crease line and make it like a wing, and with the help of the dense brush, I am going to take the color little more and blend it in circular motions. And it is always better to take your color and blend it in circular motions, and take the color as less as you can possibly, because if you take more, then it's obvious that you will have a fallout. So make sure that after blending it in circular motions, then you start blending in windshield wiper motion, and of course make sure that the color looks intact. Now after blending it properly, I feel the color is coming out well. I'm going to take the lighter highlighter color over here, and I'm going to start blending it on the top crease line of my eyes, and I'm going to blend both the colors together to make it look like a nice shiny color. And as you can see, it's looking beautiful over here, how the pastel look is coming out. Now after moving forward, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild palette, eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take this highlighter color, and I'm going to build this color on the middle tip of my eyes. So I'm going to dust off the extra and then start blending the color on the middle tip of my eyes. I'm now going to take a flat brush and take the highlighter color and blend the color well in the middle tip of my eyes, and making sure that all the colors look well blended together, making my middle tip of the eyes shine more brightly so that the highlighter color pops out properly. And till the time I feel the colors are looking all properly merged and the highlighter color is shining well, I'm going to keep on blending it, taking extra color and tapping it on the middle tip of my eyes. Now I feel the color has started shining on my eyes, and it's looking properly well merged. Taking the base color again, which I did on the crease line of my eyes, I'm going to again blend all the colors together. And now I feel that I should again highlight my middle tip little more, so I'm doing just exactly that and taking the flat brush. So this is it. This is how I have blended all the eyeshadow color. I'm taking a small flat brush, again a little slanted one. I'm taking this dark blue color, and on the tip of the brush, dusting off the extra. Always make sure to do that. And I'm going to pop that color on the waterline of my eyes, lower waterline of my eyes. I'm going to merge it and extend it to the outer corner of my eyes, making it as a winged liner. Then I'm taking this highlighter color and brightening up my waterline till the half, and making sure that both the dark blue color and the highlighter color goes well together on the waterline. So yeah, and now this whole thing is complete. I am wiping off all the translucent powder, and if there is any fallout on the face, then it will go away with the brush. And taking this highlighter, and I am going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, and with this the whole look is complete and I am happy with it. Do you want to see a magic? There you go, a dance of joy. Do you want to see another magic? Here it goes. So finally, with this I have completed this whole pastel eyeshadow makeup look, and as you can see, I have a very Indian skin tone and it is looking beautiful. I hope you like the makeup too.
I hope you like the video. If you do, please give me lots of thumbs up, like my video, share it with a lot of people, and like comment what you want to see next in my videos. And let me tell you one thing, that don't even fear a bit while doing this pastel eyeshadow makeup look, because you are going to love it once you do it, and you're going to definitely rock it. So never fear, or don't even think before taking one step ahead, because there's always a first time, right? And I'm sure once you do it, you will build up that confidence in you, and you are surely going to love it and do it every time. Please do this makeup, tag me in my Instagram ID, which is also Wo Mast Mola Girl, and send me your pictures. Please do, because you never do that. So I would love to see this makeup curated by you people if you like this. So yeah, this is it, and I'll see you in my next video. As I always say, keep it stylish.